So today we need to take a couple measurements. I need to measure this portion right here because I'm thinking I'm gonna let my air ride system come right in between here and here. So I just need to measure my distance, so hopefully when that comes in, we're still gonna be able to drop frame. If not, we also can lower it down right here to keep in the current position. But what I wanna do is jack this up, put the lift back on it, and remove this front wheel and put on the other wheel so we can get a better understanding of what we see here and how everything is gonna look. I'm still wanting to rake that front out just a little bit. I don't think it needs much of a rake, but it might not need anything, but we're gonna put that other rim on and check it out and see how that looks. I swear, something so easy turns into something so hard. These bolts, I don't know if they got cross-threaded while being placed in here or what, but I could not get them to move at all. So I just had to cut them off, and I'm gonna put some new ones in there. All right, let's get this thing off the lift and let's see what it looks like sitting on the ground. Putting that front wheel on definitely changed the stance of it. It's not sitting as high as it was in the front, but I'm still liking how everything is coming out. That looks good. So I still need to play with the front wheel to work on spacing. I haven't gotten the spacing together yet, so this needs to slide over. I might only run one caliper on this, and because I want to see most of the rim. So I have one caliper running on this thing like it's been. All right, as you know, we got in our suspension system for the back. First, let's just grab this because I'm trying to figure out where to put this thing. So I don't know if you could set these on the side or whatnot. I'm just really planning out where to put everything, where to be nice and neat. So I was thinking about sitting it right here. I don't know, down in the comment section below, let me know if that's okay to tilt it on the side. If not, I do love this little area right here, but I don't know, it'll be too far down, but I still could make it work. I'll make something work if I have to set it like that. All right, second issue, I ain't gonna say that it's an issue, but this right here is aluminum. Now they do make a strut bracket that I could bolt through here, and it's out of steel, but I feel more comfortable if it's welded. So with that being said, I'm gonna have to make some brackets out of aluminum, in which I got these that I will cut. So let me cut these down, drill them out, and then I'm gonna take it to my buddy. He's gonna do the welding on it, but I wanna go ahead and put these on to see how it's gonna look. I mean, honestly, I got one of those cheap kits off of Amazon, and we're gonna make something work with everything right here. I mean, it's a pretty simple system, and this definitely will work on the bike. Just how we're gonna make it work is the question.